In 2025, some cars are made to dominate the track, some are designed to push performance limits, but a very rare few, are built with beauty as their core principle.
Today, we're taking a look at 3 of the most visually stunning cars of this year, design masterpieces that combine history, elegance, and cutting-edge craftsmanship. And we'll start with number 3.
A car that redefined Maserati's place in the supercar world.
This is the Maserati MC20, a mid-engine Italian supercar that blends performance with minimalist beauty. It marks Maserati's return to the supercar segment after more than a decade. And it's clear they didn't hold back. The design is clean, not overloaded with vents or aggressive lines. Instead, it relies on fluid shapes, compact proportions, and symmetry. The butterfly doors aren't just for show. They also improve access and airflow. Its Trident badge sits on a low, sculpted nose, and the car rides on carbon fiber everything, including the tub, the air elements, and the wheels.
Under the hood is a twin-turbo V6 producing 621 horsepower, and thanks to its lightweight structure, the MC20 can hit 60 in under 3 seconds. But what sets it apart, really, is how well the design holds back. It's elegant, simple, purposeful, exactly what Italian supercars used to be.
At number 2, we have the Bugatti Tourbillon. This is the successor to the Chiron, and it's already making history. It combines a naturally aspirated V16 engine with electric motors,
Pushing total output to nearly 1,800 horsepower. But what stands out here, more than just the power, is the design approach. The Tourbillon is inspired by high-end watchmaking, and that influence shows clearly in the cabin.
There are analog dials suspended inside a glass cluster, with fine detailing you'd usually only see in luxury Swiss timepieces. Outside, the shade is unmistakably Bugatti, low, long, and flowing.
The signature C-line curves through the body, and the taillights now form an unbroken red arc across the rear end. Everything feels sculpted for airflow, but nothing looks forced.
Even at a standstill, the Tourbillon looks like it's gliding. It's not just fast, it's artistic engineering at its finest. At number 1, we have what might be the most beautiful car of this decade, the Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale. This isn't a mass-produced supercar. Only 33 units will be made. Each one is custom-built by hand. And the inspiration comes from the original 1967 33 Stradale, considered one of the most elegant cars ever made. The modern version keeps the same proportions, and in fact, with wide wheel arches, a low-slung nose, and round headlamps that sit under clear lenses. The glass canopy gives the cabin a bubble look, very similar to the original. And the lines along the body are completely uninterrupted, very similar to the original, which makes the car feel almost organic. Inside, it's extremely minimalist, just the essentials, analog gauges, aluminum accents, and leather upholstery stitched with near museum-level care. You can choose between a fully electric powertrain or a twin-turbo V6 making over 620 horsepower. But the real value here is in the way the car looks. It's not made for numbers, it's made for admiration. And it earns that effortlessly. So there you have it, the Maserati MC20, the Bugatti Tourbillon, and the Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale. 3 very different cars, but each one showing that design still matters in a world focused on specs and speed.
Let us know in the comments, which one would you call the most beautiful car of 2025? If you're into automotive art, don't forget to subscribe for more. And drop a like if you've added one of these to your dream garage.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.